Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your all three credit scores for free from on Experian, and that's FICO scores, not Vantage 3.0 scores. So these are important FICO scores that pretty much all the banks use. I'm going to show you how to get them for free. You don't have to pay for them. Before I dive in, look, hey, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thanks. I'm just going to dive in here. So generally, guys, if you have an Experian account or not, look, if you don't know, Experian, you can get your free report every 30 days and your free credit Experian credit score every 30 days. No charge. So let me just show you how to get all three right now. So sometimes you experience to have these promotions that they have offers to you if you don't have a paid account. And for the most part, that's kind of what this is. So generally when you log in Experian, you'll come to a screen like this. So what you do is hover up here where it says report and scores, click on credit reports. Then you'll get to the top where you'll see Experian, Equifax, Transunion. Just click on Compare All. Okay, and then typically you'll get this. And normally when you click this, it'll come up with a charge of $24. But right now, Experian's got this free thing going. So you see how this says this Experian CreditWorks Premium for 7 days, just for $24.95 a month. So, but here because they got the 7 day the promotion thing for free. This comes up as zero. So all you need to do is put your credit card information. I'm gonna see if I put this. Let's put a card in real quick. Dummy card. So when you click on here, what you do, what you'll see, you're gonna come to a screen where it says one of your new benefits of three credit bureaus. Would you like to see it now? Click yes. Now it'll take you to, so now you got all new reports. How you know that? Go to compare all. Then based on this date, scroll down, you'll see all three uh, FICO 8 scores. FICO 8, see up here where it says FICO 8? Once again, for free. Now, what you don't want to do, you don't want to forget to leave this. So what you do, hover up here on your initials, go to my profile, okay? Because remember, we just signed up for our service, right? So basically, what you do, you go to membership, go here. Then it says, "Thank you for being an Experian CreditWorks member. Remember, you got this free for 7 days." Well, don't wait because you'll forget, and you only remember when it hits your credit card, right? So all you do is scroll down here. Do you want to change your Experian CreditWorks Premium membership? Go update online. So now what happens is you'll see all of these CreditWorks Premium, CreditWorks Plus. So scroll all the way to the bottom, and we want to go to basic. Select zero. And I always tell us why you're updating your membership. And you can put any of these reasons. I'm just going to put not worth it, too expensive, secure your order. Now you just got all three scores for free, right? So now you're back to a uh, free account. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. I just wanted to share this with you. Once again, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. That's how you get all three FICO Score 8 scores free on Experian, especially if you see look, if you probably updated already, you probably won't see that. It'll try to charge you $29. Just go out of that, and then maybe wait for the next promotion. But I think for majority of the guys, if you have a free account, you should be fine. And if you have a paid account, now you know how to get to a free account. Just change your membership. Okay, guys. Tony Hill, be safe, stay 6 feet away, and then wear a mask. Till next time, peace.